Hello everyone, imagine waking up one morning and discovering that your job can now be done by a computer. No office, no lunch break, no salary, no human work. The computer works 24 hours a day, does not try to and can complete some task in seconds. They sound like science fiction, but artificial intelligence or AI are already changing the way people work. AI can write text, create images, analyze information, answer customer questions, translate languages, write computer code, and even help doctors and engineers. So the big question is will AI replace human job or will AI simply become another tool that helps human for work faster and better? The answer is more complicated than a simple yes or no. According to the International Labour Organization, about 1 in 4 workers worldwide are in occupation with some exposure to generative AI, but the organization said that job transformation is more likely than compete replace because most jobs still contains tasks that need human involvement. In this video, we will explain how AI could change jobs, which jobs may face the biggest pressure, which new jobs could appear, and what works can do to prepare for the future. So, game one. What is AI doing today? Artificial intelligence not completely new for many years. Computers have helped people with calculation, data processing, communication, and automation. But modern generative AI is different. Tools powered by AI can understand language, produce text, image, audio, video, computer code. For example, a company can use AI to answer simple customer question. A programmer can use AI to help write code. A teacher can use AI to create lesson idea. A journalist can use AI to organize information. A designer can use AI to create early idea for a project. This means AI is already becoming a workplace assistant, but there is an important difference between automating a task and replacing an entire job. A job usually uncertain and many different tasks. AI may be able to complete some of those tasks while a human continue doing the other. That is why experts often talk about job transformation, not simply job destruction. So came to which jobs could be most affected. Some jobs are more exposed to AI than others. Job involving a repetitive computer-based tasks many face generator pressure. For example, data entry, basic administrative work, simple document processing, some customer services tasks, some basic translation, routine content creation, some auto accounting tasks, certain critical jobs. The ILO says political occupation continue to have some of highest exposure to generative AI. It also says explored in increasing in some professional and artificial occupation because AI is becoming better and specialized digital tasks. But being exposed does not automatically mean that job will disappear. Imagine an office worker who spend 8 hours every day entering information into a computer. AI might perform much of the data entry, but someone will still need to check the information, communicate with customers, solve unusual problems, and make decisions. So the job may become different instead of disappearing completely. So part at came 3. The job that may grow. Now here is the interesting part. AI may destroy some tasks, but it can also create new opportunities. Companies need people who can manage tasks and use AI systems. They could increase demand for jobs such as AI specialist, machine learning, engineering, data analysis, cybersecurity professional, software developer, AI trainer, and technology constellation. Sorry, constellate. The World Economic Forum Future of Job Report 2025 identified technology-related roles including AI and machine learning specialists, big data specialists, and software developer among the faster-growing jobs categories. But new opportunities are not limited to technology companies. Almost every industry can use AI. Healthcare can use AI. to support doctor, bank AI used to detect unusual transaction, factories can use AI to improve production, school use AI as a learning tools because business can use AI for marketing and customer support. Agriculture can use technology to monitor crops and improve efficiency. So, AI could create a much bigger technology ecosystem. Came for AI may become a work partner. Think about the calculator. When calculator become common, people did not stop working. Instead, calculation become faster. This something could happen with AI. AI may become a normal workplace tool. A lawyer could use AI to organize a document. A doctor could use AI to analyze medical information, while the doctor remained responsible to decision and patient care. A filmmaker could use AI to create ideas and human codes. Could we still control the story, emotion, acting, and final character choose a YouTube creator used to see AI for search, idea stability, editing, and assistant and work writing. In this future, the competition may not simply be human versus AI. It could become human using AI versus human not using AI. That is a very important difference. K5. Will AI replace human creativity? This is one of the biggest questions. AI now create impressive music, stories, and videos. So some people ask if AI can create things, what is left for humans? The answer is that creativity is more than productive and about output. Humor understand professional experiences, the culture, emotion, relationship, and a social situation in way that machine do not experience it themselves. A human filmmaker may know what a story means to their community. A human writer may use professional memories to create an emotional story. A human artist may create something because of an experience that changed their lives. AI can help produce content, but humans still decide what they want to communicate and why that human purpose can remain extremely valid. Game 6. The human skill that AI may not replace easily. Some skill could become even more valuable in AI powered world. One is critical thinking. People need to know what when AI is wrong. AI is produce convincing information that make a certain mistake. Another important skill is communication. Business still need people who can understand customer negotiation, lead teaming, and explain difficult ideas. Then there is an emotional intelligence, and a machine can recognize what but human relationship involve trust, empathy, and understanding. Leadership is another important skill. Some still need to make difficult decisions and accept responsibilities for those decisions. And finally, there is a adaptability. Technology changes quickly. Works who can learn new tools may have an advantage over people who refuse to change. Game 7. The biggest risk may not be AI itself. Here is something important. The biggest risk may not be that AI task every job. The biggest risk could be that workers and companies fail to adapt. The World Economic Forum estimate that by 2030, technological and their major trends could create about 170 million jobs while displacing about 92 million, producing a net increase of around 78 million jobs. There are employer expansion and projection, not guarantees. At the same time, the report says workers should expert major change in their skills and estimates that could 39% of existing skill set could be transferred or become outdated between 2025 to 2020 to 2030. This tells us this something important. The future may not be about having one skill for your entire career. People may need to keep learning. Game 8. What should work do? So, what can you do if you are worried about AI? First, learn how AI works. You do not need to become a computer scientist. Start by learning how AI tools can help with your work. Second, learn to use AI responsibility. Do not blindly trust everything an AI system says. Check information. Third, improve your human skill, communication, leadership, creativity, problem solving, teamwork, and critical thinking can become very valuable. Fourth, keep learning. Take online courses, watch educational videos, practice new skill, entertainment with new tools, experiment with new tools, and finally, do not think of AI only as a threat. Try to think of it as a tool. A person who know how to use powerful tools can often do more than a person who does not. Game 9. What will the workplace of the future look like? The office of the future may look very different. Some workers may work with AI assistant every day. Meeting could be automatically summarized. A routine email could be drafted by AI. That data could be analyzed instantly. Software should be created with AI assistant. Customer services could use AI for simple questions and humans for difficult cases. Factories could use robot and AI system together. Healthcare works could use AI to support dial, uh, diagnosis and searches. This does not necessarily mean human disappeared. Instead, humans may spend less time and repetitively uh, repetitive works and more time and decision relationship creativity and complex problems. But this future will not be the same for everyone. Some worker may benefit greatly, others face jobs losses or difficult transition. That is why the education, training in workplace politics and access to technology will be very important. Game 10. So will AI replace human job? Now let's answer the main question. Will AI replace human job? Yes. Some jobs and many individual tasks will probably be automated, but it is unlike that AI will simply remove and human jobs. In the evidence available today points more toward a combination automation, job transformation, and new job creation. The ILO says most occupations still contain tasks that require human input, making transformation more like than complete replacement in most cases. The World Economic Forum also expect major changes in both job creation and job displacement as technology developments. So the future of work may not be human versus machine, it may be human working with machine. The real question is not only will AI may will AI take my job? The better question, how can I use AI to become better at my jobs? AI is the one of the biggest technological legend for our time. It can make our work faster. It can reduce this repetitive tasks. It can create new business. It can create new jobs, but it can also create serious challenges for workers whose task is easier to automate. And the future will depends on how business in government, schools, and work respond to this change. For individual, the message is simple: do not stop learning. Learn technology, learn AI, improve your communication, improve your creativity, improve your critical thinking, and most important, learn how to combine human skill with powerful technology, because the future may not be belong to AI alone. It may belong to people who know how to work with AI. So, what do you think about this? Will AI create jobs then destroy, or will millions of people individually lose their jobs to machines? Tell me your opinion in comment. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.